Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good night.
Hello, baby.
Without our fridge for
What
3.5
is
years.
this? Your own fridge for me?
I paid $5,000 from Sears.
How many years it lasted?
4 years. I was pregnant for my son James.
4 years only. Then what? They didn't fix it? Or
They said up here, for the compressor, the oil, is cracked. So they won't fix it. They make fridges today,
Really, show me where it goes.
just up here. So they get-
Yeah. Just through the door we could get.
Yeah, because you need to disassemble. I don't know. It's gonna
I
put
moved
this way.
everything out of the way.
Yeah.
Just where you wanna put it? Here, outside?
Just in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Is it gonna? We need to take out the door.
Okay.
Just make sure it's touch the door.
Yeah, because we
Sure,
passed.
it's gonna.
Yeah, because it's a 36, so that's a 36, and it fit through. We didn't take off the door.
Well, what is that?
Because I took the handles off. Okay.
Okay, so this is our new fridge coming in, and that. Hey, see the new fridge? Come on, honey. We're gonna go down the steps. Hold my hand.
Okay.
Okay, and now Mummy could take over. Mummy wants to take over and watch the fridge coming out because I gotta watch BB.
What?
I gotta watch where BB is.
Let's go.
Because I thought you wanted to take from the view
Yeah.
and not see it coming out. That you're happy,
Oh, I'm happy.
especially after the way Samsung treated you.
I posted on TikTok, Facebook, shitty Samsung. Piece of crap. No, LG.
I have Samsung, so it's scared me now.
God bless you because you're gonna need it.
It says that they give 100%.
Oh, quiet, Maya.
I had to buy a little parcel to get milk to the baby. Otherwise, they would have no milk, no nothing.
Yeah, so we're finally getting our fridge, a new LG, which is a better warranty than that, and I'm sure they'll honor their warranties better than Samsung does. So be gratefully appreciated. Once it's in, gonna have actually fresh water, fresh food, and that, so it's gonna be a blessing.
Good. 1, 2.
Just watch it. There's a step in back.
Before you put on it,
Watch your step.
put it down. Don't put it on.
Actually, you may have to turn it on. You may have to go on the side because.
I'm gonna manage it upstairs.
Okay.
Hurry. Come on, let's put it on the second step, okay? Okay. 1. The second step.
I think this is a bigger fridge, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Put it on the second step.
Come bro, come.
Put it down.
Come more. Okay.
Yeah. Now lean it to your side. Can you lose, bro, a little bit? Huh? Can you lose a little bit? More. Wait. More. Okay, go. Carefully. Okay, wait. Wait a moment. Woo! Okay, step by step, buddy. Wait. Okay, 1, 2. Good. Yeah.
I'm just sure glad that I don't have to lift it.
Okay, go.
Because I know those are they're heavy, and we just managed to get the old one out.
Ready, bro? Wait 1 minute. Hold the friction. Okay, don't need to go back. How many steps left? 2.
Actually, 1, 2, and then 3.
Okay, 1, 2.
Okay.
Pull down, pull it down. Oh my god. Push my side, bro. Wait, buddy, wait. Slide it in. That's it. Slide more. Come, let's see, buddy, if it fits like that. Wait, let me take it a little bit off. 1, 2, lift it up, buddy. Yeah, cool, pull it down.
Heavy, yeah?
Do you have measurement? Do you have measurement? No.
Yeah, measuring tape.
I should have it somewhere. Hold on.